Hey guys, AB here from B&H, and we're taking a look at Sennheiser's second generation MKE 400, a compact supercardioid camera-mounted shotgun microphone that is designed to give you high-quality, isolated audio for your video productions. It's lightweight, really small, and can pretty much mount on any video recording device. Also, with features like an integrated windscreen and shock mount, low-cut filter, gain control, headphone jack with volume switches, and accessories to connect the mic to mobile devices, the MKE 400 is a good choice for vloggers, videographers, and other content creators looking for a versatile and portable way to record audio for their videos. And yes, I'm using the MKE 400 to record the audio for this video. Why don't we take a closer look at some of the mic's more important features? When recording with an on-camera shotgun mic, one of the biggest concerns is how the mic will be affected by handling noise and wind. But fortunately, the MKE 400 features an integrated shock mount and windscreen to mitigate those issues. The shock mount does a good job of preventing vibrations from getting to the mic's capsule when shooting on the move. And the design of the body helps minimize wind noise. I will say though that if you're shooting in outdoor conditions that are very windy, you're gonna want to use the included MZH 400 Furry, which is effective in preventing strong wind from ruining your audio. In terms of input gain, the MKE 400 features a 3-step sensitivity switch for adjusting the input gain of your audio source. Remember, this mic's supercardioid capsule is designed to effectively reject off-axis noise, so it's really intended for direct line-of-sight dialogue capture with a distance of about 3 to 6 feet. So you'll want to adjust your input gain settings depending on how loud and how far away your subject is. I found it pretty easy to find the appropriate level by adjusting the mic's input gain level as well as the camera's input level. And you'll probably have to experiment with both to get a setting that's just right for you. I should also mention that next to the input gain switch is a low-cut filter switch, which is handy for cutting out low-end rumble in your shooting environment. Whether or not your camera has a headphone jack, the MKE 400's built-in headphone jack with volume controls is a much appreciated feature. The ability to do real-time headphone monitoring without having to access your camera's menu system is definitely a plus. And I'll tell you, the quality of the audio coming through the headphone jack is really good. It's an 8-step volume control in 6 dB increments, and it's plenty powerful. I plugged in a pair of Audio-Technica ATH M40s, and I was able to dial in a nice high level that was both clear and present with room to spare. What's even more impressive is that I was able to drive the volume of my professional Sennheiser HD600 open back headphones. Unlike consumer headphones and earbuds that are easily driven by smartphone and laptop headphone jacks, professional headphones often require a dedicated headphone amplifier that you would find in something like a nice audio interface or even a mixing console. So it was a pleasant surprise to find that the MKE 400 delivered plenty of signal to my HD600s. The MKE 400 was designed primarily as a lightweight on-camera microphone, and it comes with a locking TRS to TRS cable to prevent accidental disconnection from the mic while filming with your camera. Also, the mic jack is located on the front of the microphone, which is great so you don't poke your eye out on the cable every time you look through the camera's viewfinder. However, the MKE 400 was also designed to work with your smartphone, so it comes with a locking TRS to TRRS cable for connecting to your mobile device. And the best way to do this would be to use the MKE 400 mobile recording kit, which includes a Manfrotto Pixie mini tripod, Sennheiser smartphone clamp, Wind Furry, TRS to TRS and TRS to TRRS cables, and a small fabric carry pouch. This portable system gives you pretty much all you need to record content with your phone, and since you get up to 100 hours of operating time on 2 AAA batteries, you've got plenty of juice to shoot all day. I found the second generation MKE 400 to be a solid mic for close-up dialogue capture, though you could get creative and use the mic to record different sources of audio depending on your production. So if you're in the market for a highly directional, on-camera shotgun mic that not only enhances your in-camera audio, but gives you additional features like real-time headphone monitoring and shooting with your smartphone on the go, you should definitely check out Sennheiser's MKE 400. For more info on this mic and other great Sennheiser gear, check out bhphoto.com. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Once again, this is AB from B&H, and I'll see you next time.